Hey everybody, back with another video. I wanted to show you what I'm going to be working on for the next little bit here. Here's a siding project we got going on. Going to reside the entire house, and we've got lots of different things to deal with, but here's the old siding. Here's somewhat newer construction. I think this was probably back in the late 60s, early 70s probably. Can't find any real documentation on it, but anyway, so the windows have already been changed out. So we have, if you look there, they wrapped the windows. They didn't do a real good job, but there's no backing under here either, so we'll deal with that later. But there's the old siding. We got that ripped off. I've already got the majority of the siding all ripped off. Let's walk down here. There's some areas of concern that need to be addressed. There's a piece of siding that had fallen off a long time ago. We got some rotted wood because there was no eaves trough, and we got some sections that need to be replaced there as well. Here's the old part of the house. Cedar shakes, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the cedar shakes, and because it's pretty close to the right level. But I will use some of the old cedar shakes in another section of the house to use here for fir strips to kind of blend this all together. I'm going to seal the chimney to the house really well. There's a little gap there right now, but we'll get that sealed up. Mainly what I'm working on right now is prepping the entire building, and it's going to take a little while to do that. See, you can see a gap between the chimney and the house a little bit there, so I'll seal that up good. Cedar shakes all the way around the back side of the house here. There was an old chimney on the other side. I'll show that in another video when I'm going to get around to that. But what I'm doing, I'll show you right where I'm at working here. Also, got to dig back a little bit of the earth here, kind of backed up. It's real close to the wood, so we're going to scrape that back. I'm just taking all the siding nails, pounding them in, taking off the lights as I get to them, and then so here's a nail. We'll just pound the nails in, and anywhere there's caulk where the siding was connected, I'll just scrape that caulk off, get everything prepped and smooth, pull the nails and stuff out, and then we'll go around to replacing any bad wood that we have. And there's a tremendous amount right here at the garage. Tremendous amount of bad wood that we got to address. So, and let's go around the other side of the house real quick. There's a strip of wood I'll have to replace right there. Here's the old aluminum corners they had. And here's the side of the house. There's a chimney for the garage, which is going to be the wood boiler for this coming winter. And I got up as far as I could get with the pitchfork. I have to get up with the ladder and get the rest of that. And then take a look here. There's all the siding. 2x4 and lumber to fix. I didn't get any plywood yet. I didn't know how much I was going to need till I got the house stripped. But I do have some lumber and some 2x4s. I got some 1x to make and fix some fascia or trim. And I got house wrap. And there's some corner pieces. This is the color we're going with. It's called almond. And fascia, aluminum fascia to go over everything. And then I cut a small piece of J-channel so that when I'm walking around the building, and I'll show you that, when I'm working around the building, I can, let's see, where's that J-channel? Here it is. Alright, so what I can do is take this small piece of J-channel, and then I'll just put it up and make sure that I'm going to be good as far as where my new siding's going in. And let's go over here to the old window. I'll show you what I'm talking about. When the window installers installed these windows, again, they didn't take this aluminum all the way back. They kind of stopped a little ways in there. So what I'm doing is making sure that when I set my, because that'll be the height, if I leave this here, that'll be the height. If I take this off, plus whatever this is, maybe a 1/4 inch, see what's going to happen? I'm going to be recessed back behind the aluminum, and I don't want to have to rewrap all the windows. So I'm going to leave this. This will be my level of that, and then that covers pretty good. So plus, if I take this line where it covers good, outermost section, and transfer that line over to here, it's within a 1/4 inch of each other, so I can float that out when I'm putting the siding in. That'll work out pretty good. I do, however, have to do something with this electrical, that's for sure. Alright, well anyway, thanks for watching. I'll do a video if I come upon something unique, like, oh, check this out. Well, I don't know if you can see in there or not, but it's birds. So there's a couple spots where some birds made some nests. So what I'll have to do is just kind of do what I can do. I don't want to trap them in there, nor do I want to kill them. So those will be the last areas I seal up. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.